Oyak Renault in the early 1960s was in search of a model that would bridge the gap between the Renault 8 and Renault 16, one that had sales potential worldwide, suitable for all road conditions, and low cost. This led to the creation of Project 117 by the then head of Model Research and Development, Robert Boyer. Although the drawing you see now differs from its final version, it is the initial sketch of the Renault 12. Then the big day arrived. Renault introduced the 12 model in Paris in 1969. Additionally, between 1970 and 1974, the performance version of the Renault 12, called the Renault 12 GTS 12 Gordini, was introduced, featuring a 1.5-liter aluminum gasoline engine with 120 horsepower. Alongside Gordini, the Renault 12 TR, which had an automatic transmission, was also showcased. Over time, the Renault 12, or Toros, lost its value and became weaker compared to its competitors and the successors being considered. It was withdrawn from the market in 1980 with the start of production of the Renault 18.
Presentamos su deseo hecho realidad. Renault 18 TX, el primer auto argentino que satisface todos centímetros cúbicos, tracción delantera. Su deseo hecho realidad.
So, where does the name Toros come from? In the Turkish domestic vehicle market, after competitors of Renault began naming their vehicles in Turkish, Oyak Renault decided to name this new model after the Toros Mountains in Turkey, symbolizing grandeur, durability, and high traction power to compete with other companies.
Renault 12 tutkusunun ulaştığı zirve, Toroslar. Renault 12 Toros. 5 vitesle yıllara, yollara meydan okuyor.
Cars inspired by the Renault Toros. The Renault 12 prototype you see on the screen was a source of inspiration for the Ford Corcel produced in the 1970s. Points of interest, Dacia 1310. After the production of the Renault 12 ended in Turkey in 2000, the Romanian company Dacia continued to produce vehicles under the Renault 12 license until 2006. The production of the Dacia 1310 model ceased in 2004, followed by the Dacia 1310 pickup in 2006. Renault R17. A concept car designed by French designer Aura Eto was showcased at the Paris Motor Show 2024. It combined elements of the 1970s, Renault 17 and Renault 12 with a futuristic design. Miscellaneous information. In 1990, the Turkish newspaper Günaydın Gazetesi offered one Toros for every 7 coupons.
Haberiyle, fotoğrafıyla dünyayı evinize getiren Günaydın şimdi 7 otomobil daha veriyor. Evet, Günaydın devam ediyor.
7 kişiye, 7 kupona, 5 vitesli 7 otomobil.
Bu defa eve teslim.
Katılın, kazanın.
7 otomobil Günaydın'dan. Sadece 7 kupona.
İlk kupon bu pazar Günaydın'da.